Hello and welcome to the senior classroom. In this lesson, we are starting grade 10 chemistry, and our topic today is introduction to chemistry. Specifically, we are going to learn about what chemistry is and why it is important in our daily lives. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to define chemistry, explain what chemistry studies, state the importance of chemistry in daily life, and identify areas where chemistry is applied. As we go through the lesson, keep these objectives in mind so you can check whether you have understood the content. Before we define chemistry, let me ask you a few questions. Have you ever wondered why soap removes dirt and grease while washing clothes? Have you ever noticed that food cooks faster in pressure cooker? Or have you ever asked yourself how medicines help to cure diseases? All these processes are explained by chemistry. Let's now find out exactly what chemistry is. Chemistry is a branch of science. It deals with the study of matter, its composition, its structure, its properties, and the changes that matter undergoes. In simple terms, chemistry helps us understand what things are made of, how they behave, and how they change. To understand chemistry better, we must first understand what matter is. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. This means that if something can be weighed and it takes up space, then it is matter. Examples of matter include air, water, stones, food, metal, and even our own bodies. Since chemistry studies matter, it means chemistry is concerned with almost everything around us. Chemistry studies several important aspects of matter. It studies what substances are made of, how their particles are arranged, and the properties they have. Chemistry also studies chemical reactions, which are changes where new substances are formed. In addition, chemistry studies the energy changes that occur during these reactions. As we continue with this subject, you will see how these ideas appear in many topics. Chemistry is not only found in laboratories, it is part of our lives. For example, chemistry is involved when cooking food, when we clean using soap and detergents, and when fuels burn to produce energy. The rusting of iron and the digestion of food in our bodies are also chemical processes. This shows that chemistry helps us understand everyday activities.